welcome back to the Yardman Podcast. Davin here without Tonil. Tonil has been called away on family emergencies. And I'm at the Rototom Sunsplash Festival. And what an amazing event it has been so far. And I was lucky enough to run into some local Jamaican food. And trust me, I've lived in Spain for almost 8 years and it's hard to find. It's hard to find good quality Jamaican food that has been made by Jamaicans as well.
Yeah.
There are a few places, but nothing.
Real artist.
It's like a Jamaican that grew up in the UK, not Jamaicans coming from the yard and just bringing it here.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And I was lucky enough to run into this little spot. I smell the jerk chicken. Ask this man. Smell the jerk chicken from a mile away, and I'm like, my nose lead me so.
Yeah, man.
Hear the jerk chicken that kick.
You see, man?
And yeah, man, I haven't tried the jerk chicken. I haven't tried the jerk chicken yet, you know. But I tried the patty them.
I watch them.
The patty good. You see me?
Yeah, well, I don't know still, you know. Seeing everything starts from 1996 back in Germany, you see me?
Yeah?
First kickoff 1997 one reggae jam, summer jam in Cologne.
Yeah.
You see me? So over the years, and I go through almost 3 decades.
Yeah.
Now, you know.
Before we jump into the story, Wayne, like this is your establishment.
Yeah,
You
this
build
is
this up.
this
build
is
this up.
my establishment. You see
But
me?
before all of this, how you make the journey from Jamaica to Germany in 1996?
I don't really want to go into them kind of details there about how I really
Just a
make.
little bit, man, because we need to know the roots of the foundation, you know.
Well, I meet my wife in Jamaica, you see me?
Okay,
You know, and
okay.
came here in 94 and, you know, real out, you know, chill out 95. 95 go on the first reggae festival. You know, that was in a place them call the name not really in my head right now still, but you know, when I went on there, I realized that they don't have no Caribbean food on it. So it just come to my mind that I'm gonna try some. So I start out, well, still with just, you know, a little normal jerk, you know, kind of European kind of a jerk pan, and you know, you don't know.
Yeah.
One little rice pot and, you know, most bread and some Jamaican rum punch and, you know, I realize, boy, something can go on and them just take it up as my profession, you see me?
Yeah.
Seeing?
So how did the locals in Germany take on to the food in the beginning? Was it a tough journey for you? Like,
well, right
to
now, I
get the customers?
realize that them love it, you know. After I find out that them love it, I just say, boy, you know, I'm just going to go and use this as my profession, you know, and, you know, just see what can go on and, from then.
So how has the journey been from 1996? Now we're 2024.
Yeah.
That's a long journey, you know.
So,
You've been here over 30 years in Europe, you know.
29.
29. Sorry, I'm not age you.
Yeah.
Almost 30 years.
Yeah. See, well, the journey is ups and downs, you know. It's like a farmer farm him crop and him, you know, sometime, you know, it's turn out good and him get a good food from it, and sometime, you know, it's a season thing, you know. You win some, you lose some.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But it still never break my spirit, you see me?
Okay.
So I just decide to move on through still and go and push through, and I'm still there, fight it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Nah, give up, because I have to give the people them what them love.
Yeah. And you're there not only you alone, but it's like a family.
There with my crew.
Yeah.
You know? Poco, Claire, Michelle, Rusty, Norris, Patrick, you know? Roll pan all of the festival them. You know, in Germany and you see me? And you know, we come over here, so but right now Rototom started out. I came to Rototom 2012 just to get the contact.
Yeah.
You know, because there was like some Cuban on here doing it, but you don't know. Them not really do it for we.
Yeah.
You see me? So, you know, many of the artists them say boom bang. You know? So, you know, I leave my contact, and then 2013 them contact me. And ask me if me interested. And I say, yeah, what? No problem, I'm ready for it. You know, so since then, Until now I'm here.
Yeah, I noticed like the Rototom people, like they're very amenable, like they're welcoming of people willing to share the culture with the rest of the world and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
How has your relationship been with them since 2014, 2013?
Well, right now, I have a good relationship with them, but and the vibes is good, and it's just sometimes we just have such communication problem, I'm not afraid to say that,
Mm-hmm.
you know. It's just that my expression, what I mean? It's just like for me, it's like, it would much more easier if we have to have some more English speaking people,
Ah,
seeing it would be much more easier for us as well as Caribbean. You see me? So, but differently, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Big
So,
up, big up Giuseppe.
so no one on your team speaks Spanish or anything?
No.
So like to do everything here in Spain, how do you get around the language?
Well, right now, you don't know it going on, my brother. We are Jamaican in my lad. You see me? And we trampoline anywhere we're going on, my lad. You see what I say?
Yeah.
See? So right now, what I don't do, I don't order my stuff like other people. I go straight to the supermarket and pick out my stuff what I want.
Yeah.
Because I know what I want, you know what I mean?
But
See?
some of the ingredients, them like how you source some of those
Yeah,
ingredients.
well, some of the ingredients, them, yeah, well, let's go England 3 times a year and get some stuff over there.
Mm-hmm.
And some may have me ingredients, and my jerk spice out, you don't know.
Yeah.
Where yard man we like for,
Yeah, homemade.
homemade things, so, me and Kuku just, I don't know, we just fuck up for homemade thing. See it and it'll work, you see me?
Yeah, man.
See?
So and I seeing as though you go into the festivals and all of this thing, how that affect like your family and everything here in Europe and your family back in Jamaica?
Right now, it not really affect my family, because you don't know. The most important thing for me is family, my brother.
Mm.
And once me alright, my family them have to alright. You know what I mean? I'm got 2 youth here. You see me? Yeah, in Germany, a boy and a girl. Big,
Yeah.
big youth them, over 20, you know what I mean?
Self-sustaining.
See me? So them good to go, them a study and everything.
Yeah.
And you don't know. Enough love and respect go to them. And love and respect go to, my daughter mother as well, because,
Yeah.
she been through it with me. You see what I say?
You take her on the road.
Yeah, and trust me, she not, it's a woman where, as a European,
Yeah. That's
she down to earth.
that's
You see me?
that's something I need some little clarity as like you say you're there here a while.
Yeah.
So you experience the European culture
Yeah.
at its fullest in terms of like relationship and everything. How you maneuver and deal with them then? Like how you maneuver and deal with the European European woman different from a Jamaican woman. How you manage to deal with them separately? How do you deal with the European woman as against how you deal with the Jamaican? Any difference are just the same?
Well, right now, my brother, you know what I mean, is for me is that I have more European woman in my life than Caribbean. You see what I say? And for me, there's no difference, with the culture, mentality, or, color. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
See it. Seeing, for me, a woman is just a woman, just like a man is just a man. See it?
Yeah.
Seeing, so once we can get along,
Yeah.
I hang on. And once we can't get along, I just roll.
Yeah. So
You
no
know what I mean?
cultural
So,
barrier.
No,
No.
no,
They just
no,
blend in
no,
with your thing?
no. Because them love the vibes.
Yeah.
Them love the vibes, and you don't know. More time we just, yeah, you don't know where full of drama and them thing there. So, so
Yeah.
more time we,
Yeah, man.
we talk to them certain way in a full language, and
Yeah.
them ask what, so I like them kind of a little,
So you speak German now?
Well, you don't know. We have to chat it, because get to youth over there and, see it,
Yeah.
want to communicate with me youth, them, you see me?
So how you deal with the Jamaican culture? Them speak the patois, them.
Well, no, them not really. Them most English them deal with still, you see me? Because, when we chat patois to them still, them understand,
Mm.
and yeah, Yeah, my daughter said more time to me, Papa, you know, you should talk to me more in Patois. You know, I say, all right. Well, remember one time I was in Jamaica, I talked to them still in Patois. And, you know, the whole family, my niece and nephew, them, and everybody I chat to them in Patois. And they was like, come to me and I say, oh, Papa, that sound like blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
you know, but then, you know, then one of themselves say, boy, yo. So
Yeah.
from come, I take on road and, you know, you don't know already.
Yeah.
You know where you go in life, the journey.
Yeah. So what
It's ever easy.
what
you
was
see
the
me?
biggest challenge like living in Europe? What you say with that? What the challenge you keep you up at night and you say, yo, I need to overcome this for balance.
Fear.
Huh?
Fear.
Faith.
Yeah.
Keep you close to all the faith.
The faith. You have to hold the faith because you know there's certain things you can talk off camera.
Yeah.
And there's certain things you cannot say on camera.
Yeah,
You see what
man.
I say?
Me get what you're
Some
saying.
more time it's just go to hold certain things instead of, you know, stir up some kind of a vibe between,
Yeah,
you
man.
know,
I understand,
seeing.
man.
So my negative experience, I don't really focus too much on them things there.
Yeah.
You know, me know it. Me know where me live. I'm just knowing on myself, say, boy, yo, certain things will never change.
So,
You know, see it? Seeing so, you know, me just have to just know it in myself that I have to just fit in myself even, you know, when, you know, there's nothing I go on where, you know, many people talk about equality still, but sometimes you don't really see it, but you don't have to just know, say, boy, yo.
yeah.
So, part, you know.
You was a veteran of the European landscape for me. You a veteran. You see me? Allow me to tell you, I'm a veteran night. What advice would I give to me to navigate Europe?
Lad, believe in yourself, blood. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And don't make negative energy get inside your soul and inside of your body.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say? Because as long as you do that, you see me? Yeah, man, make a little interview. I soon come to you. Yeah? See? Yeah. See
Don't worry, everyone's in the interview.
You have to just erase negative vibes and energy out of your body, my brother. And
Yeah.
you don't know. Once you have that, because enough thing I go through, I'm think to myself, say, boy, me I got this and me I got that. But it not work here, so because I'm not Jamaica. You see me?
Yeah.
Seeing? So I just have to just know, say, boy, yo, me just bounce myself off and get up again and take on the road.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
The journey not easy, my brother.
So you feel like on a whole, you feel like life easier here so than Jamaica?
In a sense.
Like just to navigate for like I mean that's a life. Life to me is essentially being out there to earn something and take care of my family and live good. Would you say to get to that level is easier here than in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Real?
It's easier here than, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Seeing? Because, you know, I don't think or believe that certain things what I reach in Europe, I could have reached that in Jamaica.
Yeah?
You know what I mean? Who knows?
Mm-hmm.
You know, maybe you wouldn't be here.
Talking together now.
You see what I say?
Real.
You know, or me otherwise. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Seeing? So, you know certain things when you come here, so you know your office. You know, if you accept a little bit of them culture and principle, I know you got to move on because
Sure.
you just can't come here so with certain kind of a mentality and feeling like yourself, say, boy, the same little thing where you go on with down there, you can't go on with it yourself. You see what I say, my lad, you
Yeah,
know?
man, yeah.
Seeing? So I'm just knowing myself and I change from I get my youth them, you see me?
Yeah.
You just know, say, boy, it's a different life and a different way me have a program right now. And you don't know. See?
Yeah.
You
You feel like,
drink cocoa.
yeah, man. We soon talk to Coco and I
Yeah.
have some questions for him too. See, do you feel like my brother you know, do the podcast? So I always say, oh, when we're talking, we say, oh, the Jamaican mentality make life easier here so for we. Like the fact that we're used to certain levels of thing, certain things to come here, so just come in like an not like certain things where the bother like the normal people them here, so in no bother way. Like so the internet gone.
Yeah.
Everything
Yeah.
still
Yeah.
carry
Yeah.
on, but
Yeah.
the world mash up. You see what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, I can't really talk too much about Spain. You know, I can chat a little about Holland and
Yeah.
yeah, about England and Germany, which I spent most of my life.
Mm.
You know, even more years,
Mm.
you know, in Germany than in Jamaica. You know what I mean?
Ah, so you
Seeing I came to Europe when I was 22. You see me? So 29 years on it. You don't know. You see me? Seeing so. You see me? So most of my life is so and because many times my brethren say certain things to me. And you know me, I feel say, yo, what you say?
Yeah.
You know, because them know certain things, certain slangs. What me not really know. Or you know, me see certain things on YouTube and things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Seeing? You know?
Yeah.
So I just saw it going, brother.
Yeah.
You know
But it
what I
seems
mean?
like your restaurant, you use it to give some people opportunity to make it in Europe and to come from Jamaica, you know? Or no?
The opportunity for the what?
You like make it like you form an entire conglomerate of people to come and set up for the festival. Like, no.
Well, that's not possible.
Yeah.
Because you as a Jamaican for know say boy, you know, we as a Jamaican, what you would call it, unruly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you know, you will go out with Jamaicans, you know, business wise. But sometimes you don't know. Look a fire in it.
Okay.
You know, you have to, not really disrespect a man, but you know, what we talk about in the yard and say, boy, I saw it go work. When you reach at the venue, it's a different thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes, man and man get carried away still. You know, seeing, but you still have to like sit down and just show the man and say, yo, yeah, my brother. This what I for.
Yeah.
Seeing, and you don't know it go. Seeing, without me alright, you can't alright. You see what I'm saying? So we have to just work towards it and make the funds come through and we deal with it. And you don't know. You know see?
March, you need to stand up there, so that you need to stand right there, bro.
Yo, make him take the chair, man.
Yeah.
Yes. You see me? See? Nah, man, but you're up good still, my brother. It's good to me. You see me, not gonna lie. And
Yeah.
all the negative things and where I been through blood.
Yeah.
For me,
So
them thing that
would you advise Jamaican youth growing up, say, in Jamaica, they aim to go America. Would you advise them to take the detour and come to Europe instead?
well, I don't think many Jamaican want to come here so no, because of the language,
Tough.
You know what I mean? Because, and if you're gonna come here so and come with certain kind of a attitude, or some kind of a living where you have down at Jamaica, it not gonna work, yes.
Yeah.
It probably work in America and England because the population of black people is big.
Yeah.
It's what I say. But yes,
so
in
we're
Europe,
last tonight.
yeah. Or, in Europe right now, like for example, Germany, I don't think we have 10,000 Jamaicans living in Germany, brother.
They
You
my
see what I
toes, I
say?
think.
You see what I say? Saying so, you just have to just work yourself into the system, integrate yourself, not work
Integrate.
yourself. Integrate yourself.
A big
You
word.
know what I say?
That word there. One thing I noticed with all these European countries, whenever you get here, them say you have to do a social integration test.
Yes. Yeah.
Social integration, like, is a big thing for them. They need to see you can function in a them system. Whereas in America, I think it's kind of easier, isn't it?
Yeah, because the language.
Yeah.
That's what I say. But once you integrate yourself and you know to talk and explain yourself and you have it much easier. That's what I say.
Yeah, man.
Saying so, I just give thanks to the blessings and just give thanks to no one to say, boy, yo, I can chat to my youth them in their mother native language. And yeah, we can communicate and laugh and we just feel good.
All right.
You see me?
One last question and about the youth them. You see me? Cause I say, if me start a family here, so how you feel for no say? Cause for me, I'm a pro Jamaican man. You see me? And if me have a youth to the white woman or a woman here, so I go want me youth them have the Jamaican, that little something there. How you feel? You feel like them capture that essence there, or you feel like it's more difficult?
Of course, because the more them get older, is the more it's like them want to know more about your culture. You know what I mean? They want to know more about your roots, know more about Jamaica. See it. Saying so, the most important thing, my brother, is just to have a good relationship with the youth them. And once you have to integrate yourself, you have to integrate yourself to communicate with the youth them. You know, English is something what them can learn in a school. You see me? Yeah, because me have some friends still where when you see them youth where them get from white woman, you know what I mean? We don't really like use as or the white woman still, but
I
you
facts.
know, at the fact, you know what I mean? Seeing, yeah, but when you chat patois to them, brother, you can't really believe that them a mix picnic. You know see?
Them understand it.
Because them chat it.
Good.
Chat it in a way you can't believe that.
I like that, man.
You know see? Saying, you know, but my youth them still, you know, tell them, yo, chat to uno cousin them down a yard and yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know, chat to them on the phone, not only on the telephone and WhatsApp and them thing.
Yeah.
Just chat to them on the phone straight and, you know, question them and ask them, you know,
that.
what you say, and, you know, and then tell them, yo, explain me a bit slow and Ray, but you don't know me, brother.
All right.
That's life anywhere you go.
All right. We run out of the light, so.
Seeing?
What I want you to say, I heard a wisdom for the youths them, and you know, shout out your restaurant and thing, and tell where the next festival you go there, so we know where to find you.
Well, right now, you know, I don't know no man. See, me and Coco there go and flex on the thing. Seeing? We in straight one food a pluck out from 1997, you know, see? Seeing, so, you know, Rototom Festival, you know, where we have the 22nd and the 9th, our own little dance in a Cologne, Germany. Seeing? So whosoever want to check it out, just check it out. And you don't know, you know? Youth and youth, a life, you know what I say?
Yeah, man.
Seeing just change from certain things and, you know, it's much more in life, you know, than certain little things and you don't know. Seeing?
Yeah, man.
Coco see a little small thing, man. You don't know.
Make you more,
a little small thing,
actually with
See?
Coco now, more
Yeah, that's
forward
the
back
chef.
tomorrow in I light.
Yeah, man.
In I
That
light
is
and
it.
talk to you and reason with you in I
That's
light.
cool,
Because the
man.
camera quality, how's the lighting, Mash?
Yeah, man.
You have a little magnet under the sun? No. Oh, the all right,
Yeah, man.
Coco.
Active.
Oh, cinematic.
Can put it on your color.
Yeah, man. Drop it on the color.
GNC.
Man. A good man. Yeah, me G.
Yeah, man, they are deal with.
Up and running. 4 more for the grill there.
How you reach ya?
Yes. Man,
Like Fox thing, how you reach
a
ya?
plane can me come out there, man, and I have some
How long you till
around a month now. And I have some up.
in a Spain?
3 of them we do already same way. Germany. Yeah.
Bomba. And then you just start moving
Yeah,
around
man.
already.
I just cooking, you know.
Well, from yard we know each other.
But we know each other from I'm a general, I'm a elder from yard, man. You
Yeah,
know,
man,
juvenile days, grew up same way, man. You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So how you feel like? You're fresh off of the boat. You're fresh. You know the language.
Yeah, a long time I have a youth that still come and go yard, come back. We are going to catch some Spanish, same way. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
But
I'm learning the German, same way.
Which part of Germany you based though?
Cologne.
Oh, okay.
We've all bought in, you know, and my father's house a whole heap of mansion.
Yeah, man.
Same way.
All right.
I find anyway, man. Real big, you know.
And what do you think you love most about Europe? Cause you know
Europe, man, Europe nice, man. If you're willing to experience new things, that's how you go.
Yeah. And why you don't say apart from sorry about that. Apart from the language, what your biggest challenge here? So like, you know, day to day, like when you wake up and you say, oh, you miss the beach there,
man, nothing, man. You know, a whole heap of challenge there, man. But
once him decide to come to Europe, him can't miss nothing.
Yeah, man, because Europe there, you know. You have to just know, say, Europe there, no, man. You see me? Whatever it takes, because people live here.
Him amongst a family.
You see me? And a family with them amongst same way. Yeah, man, and good. That's true, man.
And you don't know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Can't go
Same
wrong
way.
from him them amongst me. You see me? I say,
Yeah, man.
You know, see?
Yeah.
Just positiveness and we are go through one.
Yeah, man. So now, any challenge with them, man, we take on the challenge, man, you know, and conquer that faith same way, you know. Conquer all things. So,
you know,
enough challenge, the language and the Ray and say and Ray, but
the system too. The system,
Yeah,
yeah, so.
we are learning. It's a learning
We
process.
never asked which part of Jamaica we forward from.
We are St. Mary, man.
Yeah, man. St. Mary,
Yeah,
man.
man. Not too far from
Strawberry
me.
Field, not a bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, Islington, Portmore, you know, Rough Best.
You done me.
North Coast, straight to St. Thomas, Port.
One of my favorite parts of the island, that's still.
Yeah, man. You know St. Mary, Strawberry Field,
Yeah, I
not a
said,
bit.
I know not a bit, because,
Yeah.
you know, at the town that, at the town that,
Yeah,
at the town
man.
that. Because me
Portmore.
come from, would have to go through Stony Hill to go St. Mary. So me
Same
come
way.
from St. Catherine, right on the border of St. Catherine and St. Andrew, so right, there's some forward.
Okay, yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
see me?
man.
But me used to in a Kingston every day. I go to school, university, everything in a
Same
Kingston.
way. Yeah, man.
You see
That's
me? I
how
say-
you go, man. We do road at town to see you.
No, you know, so I'm supposed to be in Berlin the weekend of the 7th.
Talk about on the reggae festival then.
Yeah, man. If you touch it, Summer Jam.
This is the
Summer
first
Jam,
one. It's the
Same
first one
way.
with
Summer Jam,
Yeah,
nice. Reggae Jam.
yeah, man. Half the year,
Yeah,
half
man.
the year, half the year. Because this is the
yeah,
first
man.
one. Reach out to them few months ago, and them say, "Rrr,"
That is
because we just started the podcast last November,
same way.
and we just try to
And
build it
powers,
up.
man. And we love it, man. And the energy nice, you know. Rototom,
man.
same way.
Yeah,
A
man.
long time we know about it, hear about it, see it. But we there present today. You know, I represent for it, same way.
Anytime
Respect.
you want to come to the festival then. Call.
Yeah, man. We'll do. Respect, man.
Chat to them and
Respect.
them send you your
Yeah,
press
man.
list.
Yeah,
Your
man.
press thing.
Respect.
Just interview
Forever.
anybody you want to interview. Now what afraid.
No,
Yeah.
man. I
Watch
know.
nothing, you know.
Yeah,
One
man.
thing with me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me talk to people. That's why I have a podcast. It's a chatter show.
That is
It's a
it.
chatter show.
Yeah, the bad chef the same way.
Yeah, man.
Rusty over the same.
One talk to
ingredient,
cause
you know.
tell the truth, you know. One another
Okay.
Jamaican me media stuff from there Spain, you know. One and I'm bridging to the podcast.
Eh,
And life so happen.
Broadcast Scaramouche.
Eh?
Scaramouche. Podcast Scaramouche.
No, man.
Big van there
bring
around
it
the
to
corner.
Scaramouche.
Yeah, man.
we
Yeah,
can do
man.
that, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
can do
Yeah,
that,
man.
Scaramouche.
Yeah, me just get in the system.
Yeah, man.
Because
Yeah, man.
the community
Yeah, man.
so. Now Jamaica, Jamaica and Spain,
Said it.
not as big.
Said
You
it.
see me?
Yeah,
Look
man.
come where come link, man. We'll bring you up on style.
Yeah, man. And we're there until
Oh, you say you want the sunlight.
the sunlight for the camera.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Same
man.
way,
But,
yeah, man.
yeah, man. Coco,
As
forward back tomorrow.
Yo,
And-
Norris.
Yeah, Empress.
And we call it, because the light are going.
I bless you.
And we link
man.
up again. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Enough respect, man. Same way, man.
Respect.
You see it?
Ratings for
yeah, man.
this. You see me?
Yeah, man.
That's
All right.
it, man.
Yard Man Podcast.
Yeah, man. You're on there.
We
Man,
enjoy
take up on
the
yourself.
Jamaican street food. Mash,
Take up
mash.
the
I'm
whole
breaking
kind
from
of stuff.
Syria, man.